Hello and welcome to Wombat Coaching. Today we're exploring 3 different paths to publishing your book: traditional publishing, self-publishing and independent publishing. Now each method has its advantages and disadvantages, so let's dive in and find the best fit for new authors like you. First, let's talk about traditional publishing. This process involves submitting your manuscript to literacy agents or publishing houses. If accepted, the publisher handles editing, design, printing, distribution and marketing. It offers prestige, credibility and wider bookstore distribution. However, it comes with a lengthy submission process and the loss of creative control. Authors usually receive lower royalty rates. It may also be difficult to find a publisher to take on your work. Traditional publishing houses often receive a large number of manuscript submissions, and the selection process is highly competitive. Now here are some reasons why it can be difficult. High volume of submissions. Publishers receive numerous manuscripts and the competition is fierce. They can afford to be selective and may only choose a small percentage of submissions. The subjective nature of publishing. The decision to publish a book is subjective, and different publishers may have different preferences and priorities. What appeals to one editor may not resonate with another. Market trends and demands. Publishers consider market trends and commercial viability. If they believe a particular genre or theme is not currently marketable, they may be less inclined to take on works in that category. Quality standards. Publishers maintain certain quality standards and are cautious about taking on projects that may not meet these standards. This includes considerations of writing style, editing and overall presentation. Established relationships. Many publishers have established relationships with literary agents, and having an agent can increase the chances of getting a manuscript noticed. However, securing literary representation can also be competitive. Genre preferences. Some publishers specialise in specific genres or types of books. If your work does not align with the publisher's focus, they may not be interested. And next we have self-publishing. With self-publishing, you independently publish and distribute your work through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Kobo Writing Life or Ingram Spark. You have complete creative control and a faster time to market. Plus you'll enjoy higher royalty rates. However, there may be initial costs for editing, design and marketing, limited bookstore distribution and some potential stigma associated with self-publishing. Starting with self-publishing using Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is relatively easy and accessible. Amazon KDP provides a user-friendly platform that allows authors to independently publish and distribute their ebooks and paperback books. So here are some considerations about using KDP. While Amazon KDP is user-friendly, it's important to follow their guidelines for formatting and cover design. As an author, you are responsible for your book's marketing and promotion. Self-publishing success often requires ongoing effort and engagement with readers. Overall, Amazon KDP is a popular and accessible platform for authors looking to self-publish their books, and many have found success using this service. Lastly, we have independent publishing. With independent publishing, authors work with small independent publishers. This method offers more collaborative relationships and faster publication compared to traditional publishing. Authors may have more say in creative decisions and receive some distribution support. However, resources may be limited compared to traditional publishers, and the expertise levels of independent publishers vary. Here are some of the additional benefits of independent publishing. Creative control. Independent authors have full control over their creative choices, including cover design, formatting and content. This allows for more personalised and authentic representation of the author's vision. A faster time to market. Independent publishing often has shorter production timelines compared to traditional publishing. Authors can bring their work to market more quickly, responding to current trends or timely topics. Higher royalties. Independent authors typically receive higher royalty rates compared to traditional publishing. This means a larger percentage of the book's earnings goes to the author. Flexibility in content and genre. Independent authors are not bound by traditional market trends or genre expectations. They can experiment with niche genres, unique storytelling formats, or unconventional themes that may not fit traditional publishing criteria. Direct reader interaction. Independent authors can engage directly with their readers through social media, blogs, and other platforms. This direct connection allows for better understanding of the reader preferences and building a loyal fan base. Adaptability. Independent authors can adapt quickly to changes in the market, pricing strategies, or promotional opportunities. This agility allows them to experiment with different approaches to find what works best for their books. Global distribution. Independent publishers can also use platforms such as Amazon KDP and others that offer global distribution, allowing authors to reach readers worldwide without the need for extensive distribution networks. Retain rights. Independent authors retain the rights to their work, giving them the flexibility to explore other publishing options or adaptations, for example, audiobooks or future film rights. Diverse publishing formats. Independent authors can choose to publish in various formats, including ebooks, print on demand, paperbacks, and audiobooks, catering to diverse reader preferences. Collaborative relationships. Independent authors may have a more collaborative relationship with independent publishers if they choose to work with one. This allows for professional guidance while still maintaining a significant degree of creative control. So which method is best for new publishers? Self-publishing is ideal for those who want complete control and have a good understanding of marketing. It's suitable for niche genres or non-traditional works. It is easy to get started with platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing. Traditional publishing is best for authors seeking wider recognition and have the patience for the submission process. It's well suited for genres with established markets and larger readerships. Authors often face rejection before finding the right publisher. It's essential for aspiring authors to be persistent, patient, and to continually refine their work based on feedback. Additionally, exploring alternative publishing routes, such as self-publishing or independent publishing, can be a viable option for those who encounter challenges in the traditional publishing process. Independent publishing acts as a middle ground for those who want some professional support but more control than traditional publishing. It's good for authors who value a more collaborative relationship with their publisher. Ultimately, the best method depends on your goals, preferences, and the nature of your work. Many authors nowadays explore hybrid approaches combining aspects of traditional, self, and independent publishing based on their specific needs and objectives. Are you looking for some other book ideas? Watch this next video on the value of creating how-to books for Kindle Direct Publishing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tips on KDP and other self-publishing topics. Thanks for watching.